Sit, Cody. Push the stroller.
Do you want? I want to grab that one tensor. Do you want to?
Sure.
Here, Cody. I'll have the locks off. I don't think there's any. Unless you want to go into rooms.
There you go, Code. All by yourself? All by yourself, Cody. Keep going. No, you can't go in the room with the stroller. You can only go straight, Code. Sit, big toes. Good job. Push that stroller. Strollers are better than cheesies every day, any day. Now, if it was a grocery cart, it would even be better.
We can let Cody turn. I'll let him turn in a second.